Okay, guys, so this is called Barefoot Sprints. No shoes, no socks, and you're doing these on a relatively soft surface, okay? My daughter and I went out here to the turf and did these, and we would never want to do these on the track that's next to the turf there because that surface is too hard. We want to do these like on turf or grass. And just make sure it's a safe spot to run, okay? We don't want to step on anything sharp or anything that has like holes in the ground that make us twist our ankles or things like that. So a safe surface, and you're doing them barefoot. You're keeping your arms in kind of an L shape, and you're going with your hands, you're going eye to hip. That motion is eye to hip. The arm swing accounts for 20% of your speed. So that's very important. But anyway, give these a try and make it a great day.